Hi everybody, this is Crypto Rich, working with you to get rich with crypto, filling our pockets with crypto profits. And in this video, I'm going to have a quick look at the Bitcoin price, and I'm going to be looking at a small market cap altcoin that I've been covering for quite a while now on my channel. And I'm going to be showing you how I think on the technical charts it's looking very, very bullish, and also fundamentally it's looking very, very bullish. Now, if that's the sort of thing that you're interested in because you're somebody who's looking out to buy good quality cryptos when their price is low as a long-term investment, then I think you're going to be very interested in this. Now, please subscribe, follow me on Twitter, CryptoRichYT, join my Telegram announcement channel. If you're watching this on YouTube, shame on you. Come over to BitTube. You can earn tube coins just for surfing the internet. Plus, also you support my channel, and YouTube are shadow banning me like crazy. So come over to BitTube.
You can make anywhere from 1% to 1,000% return depending on the difficulty of the game. VERUS makes things interesting by allowing you to make a living just by playing your favorite games.
This video is being recorded on July the 25th in the morning in the UK, and this is the Bitcoin chart, the weekly chart. And I just wanted to have a look at this. This is when Bitcoin just touched underneath $20,000, and here we've got this long-term trend line. You can see this wedge, this triangle. It's not a wedge, it's triangle that Bitcoin is in, which I think is going to be bullish. Why do I think it's going to be bullish? Well, because we have just had the halving, plus also these triangular patterns, they follow the long-term trend. And the long-term trend for Bitcoin is going upwards all the way back here when this chart started in May the 13th, when it was hundreds, but we know that Bitcoin was in the pennies. So the long-term trend is bullish. So it's likely that this is going to break up. And look at the increase in volume. You know, here in 4th of May 2020, we had this much volume, even though the price was much lower than when it was here. It almost doubled, it looks like double the volume, more than double the volume, in fact. So I think this is also very, very bullish. We've got the price going, we've got the volume going down, which suggests we're getting nearer and nearer a breakdown. Now, could Bitcoin go all the way down to here, which is about $6,500? It could. It could. Is it going to? I don't know. I'm just looking at what the chart's telling me, but it's staying above the 10-week moving EMA, which is this line here, and well above the 200 and the 100. So what we want is for Bitcoin to break through above this descending line. And if it doesn't, then we're going to go back down for a while. And where are we going to go back down? Well, I suppose the first line of support would be here, which is about now $9,000, $8,900. And there's another one here, $8,800. So stay alert. Let's see how it goes. Now, this is BitTube on the weekly chart. And for those of you who are subscribers to my channel, you will know, well, I've been posting on BitTube, I think, for more than a year now. And I've seen the project grow and develop, and I've got an idea of what they're building. And I'll be talking about that in a moment. This is BitTube against BTC on the weekly chart. And we had an all-time high, I need to get me out of the way again, of 500,000 Satoshi. 512,900 Satoshi. And where is it currently? Well, it's nowhere near that, nowhere near that. But I'll talk about how high it could go in a moment. And what we've got here is this long, long base that BitTube is building. This long, long base, just bumping along. And I think in March, it was an all-time low of 5,000 Satoshi, around about that. And ever since then, it's been going up gradually. Let's have a look on the daily chart. Okay, this is the daily chart. Let me move it out. And here's what we can see. It is looking very bullish, methinks, on the daily chart. So it's above the 200 EMA. In fact, it's above the 200, the 100, and the 50. And it's bouncing up and down off the 10 daily EMA. And we have this ascending line. It keeps bouncing off this support line. And here we have resistance, which is at 17,100 Satoshis. Volume going down, suggesting a breakout is imminent at some point. And as it gets squeezed in inside this triangle, a breakout is imminent. And this is an ascending triangle. And ascending triangles tend to be bullish. So the chances are it will break upwards, but there is going to be a breakout going soon. It's bullish on the RSI, keeps bouncing off this trend line. And then what would be the next point of resistance? Well, it would be 22,400 Satoshi, because there isn't really very much in the way here. in the way of previous support and resistance. We got some here, and then the one after that, what I think would be about here, 35,600 Satoshi. So we could have a very sharp, quick move upwards if it breaks out up to 22,300 Satoshi, and then bounce around, maybe come back down here again where previous resistance becomes support, and then off up again. Now that's what it's indicating on the technical chart. And one other thing about the technical chart again is that the all-time high for BitTube here, so just under 600,000, or just about 600,000 Satoshi. Now, could it go up to that price? Easily. And here's why. Those where we look at the fundamental reasons. So in June 2018, where the project was to where it is now is a world apart. Let me show you what's happening with BitTube. So at the end of this month, they are doing a fork, and I did a video about that, which I shall link to well, you can see it in the playlist, and I posted it about a week or so ago. And they're moving to a much faster, far more efficient blockchain, BitTube Cash 4. But the other thing that's happened, it's not that just because of the fork that I think it's bullish for BitTube, it's because of everything that they're building. Here they hardly had any products. It was all on a wing and a prayer, and this might even been a fat finger, where BitTube was caught up. People just hoping, yes, this is the one, yep, rah, as it launches. However, now it really has got something. It has got many, many applications. So let's talk about some of them now. So one is, you could be earning cryptocurrency tube coins just for watching this video, just for surfing the internet. You won't be getting a lot. I'm getting maybe 2 or 3 tube coins a day. But I've accumulated over 1,000 tube just by using the Airtime module as I go about on the kind of websites that I normally go about. Now, could those 1,000 tube be worth $1 at some point, and therefore I've earned $1,000? I think so, quite possibly. And here's why. If the price was about 40 odd cents at its all-time high, it flashed about there and then came back down, but the company, the project didn't have anything. Now they have so much real. They have the Airtime module. They have BitTube.tv, which is a live streaming platform. They've got BitTube.video, which is a decentralized peer-to-peer vlogging platform. And they're launching BitTube Space. Now, what is BitTube Space? BitTube Space is a peer-to-peer, fully encrypted Zoom or Skype alternative. It's going to be cheaper than Zoom, and it's not going to have any of the security issues that there are with Zoom. It's going to be on a freemium model, so you can use it for free to connect with your friends and your colleagues and stuff. And you can upgrade using fiat or crypto. So, and it's cheaper than Zoom. Then they've also got the BitTube Cash applications, which is a whole suite of cash functions, of payment solutions, where people are going to be able to integrate Tube into their websites and use it as a payment currency. Then and as well as having fiat gateways, including being able to buy Tube with credit cards. There already is a VPN, which is inside the Airtime module, so you can keep your online activities safe and secure and private. They're going to be creating an alternative, a decentralized peer-to-peer encrypted alternative to Twitter. And the mobile application is going to be launching sometime soon. So all this stuff that's been happening, that's going to be imminently available, wasn't around here. And the longer the base, the longer the consolidation, the greater the potential for the move upwards. What we have here is potentially the building of a very large saucer, which could become a cup and handle. And this is very, very bullish as the price starts moving upwards here. Now, what would be the price target? Well, it would be about 156,400 Satoshis, which would be the peak here. And then most likely it'll dip a little bit and then go back down. And then what would be the price target of that? Well, it would be this, the depth of the saucer rising above the lip, which would give us a price target of just under 300,000 Satoshis. Now, this is the next few months or so. I don't think it's going to take that much longer. Maybe next 2-3 months, I reckon. We shall see. Remember, none of this is investment advice, and this is pure speculation on my part. But it's looking very bullish for BitTube on the technical charts, bullish on the fundamental charts, and bullish fundamentally in the cryptocurrency space, because altcoins are popping up. Bitcoin has had its halving and looking very bullish in the global macroeconomic space because of the governments printing away fiat currencies and people looking for alternative ways of making money and of deposit and of investing their cash. Anyway, that's what I think. Let me know what you think. Comments in the description below. What do you think is going to happen to the BitTube price in the next few months or so? Have you invested? Have you subscribed to me on BitTube? And if not, please do so. And between now and when I see you next, please keep filling your pockets with crypto profits. This is Crypto Rich signing out. All the best. Bye-bye.